Hi everybody, this is Charles with 83 Metalcraft and 83 Metalcraft Boise. Today I wanted to make a video, and we're going to call this one, Why Do You Want Rail? It serves multiple purposes. A lot of these homes that were built in the 70s, 80s, 90s, even the 2000s, especially in the 2000s when everybody was getting crazy with building homes, slapping them together really fast. They tend to put a lower quality wood rail or a pre-manufactured wood steel baluster combo in, and aesthetically it's disgusting and ugly. Second, basically it's just not as safe. They don't take the same measures to make sure that everything's safe. So basically for us, it's having a new steel rail is kind of two-part for us, utilitarian. You want your safety, especially if you've got kids or elderly. You want something that is strong. You want something that is safe, that if somebody does climb on it or accidentally trip and fall, that they're going to be safe. They're not going to fall off an edge. They're going to be able to, restabilize themselves. Second is aesthetics. Of course, if you're ordering a new rail, you want it to look great, and so that's where we offer a lot of options. I mean, even with new traditional style or horizontal or ornamental, we can complement whatever your home is doing, or if you're doing a full remodel, we can complement that. I guess for us, a lot of people give us a call, but they're not quite prepared and don't quite know what they want. And yes, we are pros and we are able to help guide in a direction, but sometimes even if we see the decor of a home, we may not know the individual inside and what they're looking for and what their personal tastes are. And so it always helps if you, as a prospective client, have a direction that you want to go, whether that be design, whether that be color. If you are in the future doing a larger remodel, what direction you're going to be going, because we can build a rail to either complement that style fully, or we can build a rail in a neutral way that it's going to fit any style in any direction that home goes in the future. And so, something that you guys as prospective clients can do is do your homework. Do a little bit of research design-wise and ask yourself what you're looking for. Some of the best places you guys can do that. You can talk to an interior designer. You can go online. You can look at some of these interior design companies or pages. A great one is Pinterest. Pinterest is free. You can look at thousands of pictures and see thousands of styles and colors. Something else you can do is go onto Facebook and Instagram. It's huge, especially Instagram, because it's photo oriented, video oriented. You can see things, in real time and in still frame. Colors. What colors are you going to use? So right now, I'm seeing a lot of grayscale, and grayscale is great, number one, because it can be very beautiful, but it complements browns, blacks, bronzes, and whites very well. It's a very neutral color that allows us to build pretty much any style of railing around it. And so you definitely want to know your colors. Secondly, I think a lot of people don't realize how much a railing system can complement a home and increase a home's value. Generally when you think of a home remodel, you think of a new deck, you think of a bathroom, you think of a kitchen, and people are willing to spend $30, $40, $50, $60,000 on one of these areas, where we can be a fraction of that cost and be able to get the same result. And the reason that is generally railing systems in most homes, and exterior wise, say your deck or around your property, they take up more linear feet than a bathroom, than a kitchen. And so you're going to get more eye candy, you're going to get more pop, you're going to get more visual appeal than just doing one area of your home. And so one thing I always like to tell the client is, if you're going to do a home remodel, get your basic numbers, do your homework on what you would want for a kitchen change or to have your home repainted, and then set aside part of that. Be willing to make a few adjustments to your, you know, your kitchen home remodel fee, and then set aside a little bit and let us blow your mind with a railing system, because you can get more bang for your buck if you can do two for one, and that's extremely important. And you know, it adds the value. And the first thing somebody's going to see when they walk in a home, before they see your kitchen, is your railing system. And so, you know, it helps. It's a great transition, but if it's brand new and it's modern and it's sleek and elegant, you're going to have a much smoother transition from the front door to that kitchen, or from the front door to your bathroom, front door to the deck. So do your homework, give us a call, let us come out, measure up your rail, and let us blow your mind. All right, you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.